What happens when you self-isolate and stay in the same exactly room for a couple of days? Yes, you totally forget about the time. Today is Sunday. And apart from this that I said that I don't know if I can stay any longer in this room, I also booked this room only until today. It is now 9:30. Checkout would be at 10. But the problem is that I don't know if I can leave this room, as I got positive tested on Wednesday. And you never know how long this takes you until you fully recovered, so taking a test. If it's negative, I leave, and if it's positive, I still need to stay. And I have to extend. I also don't want to book too many days in this hotel room because I mean, it's not only because of me, it's also because of Fabienne. I don't want to leave her any longer alone. I'm trying to get back to her as soon as possible. It's positive. 10 minutes left. I need to ask if I can extend this room, and if not, I guess I have to change the hotel. I got a major problem. As I booked only until today, I wanted to go down to the reception, which is right over here, and extend my stay. Is anyone there at the reception? No, not yet. At 12 or? Today is Sunday, and for any reasons the reception is occupied only from 12 p.m. until 3 p.m. So I couldn't extend my stay in person. I did it online, and that's what I just did. And when I wanted to go back to my room, it said wrong smart key. It is now 10 minutes past 10. I need to wait 2 hours until someone occupies the reception. At least I'm not alone. Hey buddy. I tried online to reach anyone, but it is impossible. And it is definitely the most horrible hostel I ever stayed in. I'm just trying to find a maid now. Maybe she can open the door and help me with that. Otherwise I will have to stay outside and wait. I can't enter anymore.
You were supposed to check out today?
Yeah, but I extended two nights.
You already did? Or?
Yes, I did. I can show you the booking if you want to.
Yes, please, I have to check.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay.
I'm back in my room. Who occupies the reception only for 3 hours on a Sunday? Come on.